Welcome to Ideal and other Higher Secondary School Andiyur. Good morning to all. Today Maths online classes. Chapter number 2, Numbers and Sequences. Exercise 2.7, Remaining Sums. So first question number 2. Write the first three terms of the GP whose first term and common ratio are given. First term and common ratio given, so find the first three terms. So see the first one for solution. So see the solution. So A for 6, R for 3, so that Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So term means can use the Tn formula. First term, so that T1. So A into R power 1 minus 1. So A R power 0. 1 minus 1 0. N for 1, so 1 minus 1, so 0. R power 0. So anything power 0, that is answer is 1. So that R power 0 1 A. So A for already given the question. So A equal to 6. So now the second term. So A R power 2 minus 1. So N for 2, so the 2 minus 1, A R power 1. So A for 6, R for 3, so that 18. So third term T3, so that A into R power 3 minus 1. N for 3, so 3 minus 1, A R power 2. So A for 6, R for 3, so that 3 square, so 9 into 6, so 54. So 54, this third one. So the three terms are, so the three terms for 6, 18, 54. This is the three terms. So the next one for, see the next one. So second one, A for root 2, R for root 2. Use the formula Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So first term, so that T1. So A into R power 1 minus 1. So that R power 0. So R power 0 is 1. So A for already have root 2. So that root 2. So second term T2. So A into R power 2 minus 1. So A R power 1. So A for root 2. So R for root 2. So root 2 into root 2. So that 2. So third term A R power 3 minus 1. Because N for 3. So that 3 minus 1. A R square. A for root 2, or also root 2, so root 2 square cancel, remaining 2, so that 2 root 2. So the three times 2 root 2, 2, 2 root 2. So this like we see the third one also. So A for, so now see A for now 1000 and R for 2 by 5. This nth term formula of GP. Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So T1 first term, so that A R power 1 minus 1, A R power 0. So A for 1000, R for 1. So 1000 into 1, so that 1000. So this is the first term T1. So this likewise can see the next second term and the third terms. So second term, see the second term. See the second term, so that T2. So T2 A R power 2 minus 1. N for 2, so that 2 minus 1. So that A R. A for 1000 into R for 2 by 5. This 5 and the 1000 cancel, so that 200. 200 into 2, so that 400. So then T3 A R power 3 minus 1 A R square. A for 1000 and R for 2 by 5 square, so that square. 2 square and 5 square, so that 4 by 5. This 1025 cancel, so 40. 40 into 4, so that 160. So 1400, 160, these are the three terms. So this is three terms of GP. So next one, question number 3. See the question number 3. So in a GP 729, 243, 81, find T7. T7 means 7th term. So term means can use Tn formula. Already I told, so that solution in the GP 729 to 43. So T7, so that T7 means Tn formula. Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. A for already see the sequence inside, so 729. R for you can use the formula T2 by T1. So 243 divided by 729. So that divide means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is R. A for 729, R for 1 by 3. So this one you can find A and R. So A and R already know. So now you can see R for 1 by 3. So T7. So A into A for already have. So that 729. R for already have 1 by 3. N for 7. 7 minus 1. So that's 6. 729 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. So 1 power 6 and 3 power 6. So 729 into 1 power 6 for 1, 3 power 6 for 729. This 729, this 729 cancel. So remaining is 1. So this is the third question. So 7th term answer is 1. So third sum is over. So next we can see the fourth one. See the fourth one for now. Question number 4. Find x so that x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15 are consecutive terms of a geometric progressions. So this one for now we can find the answers. See the answer. So T2 by T1, because this is a geometry sequence, so that common ratio are equal. So ratio for formula T2 by T1 formula. First you can find T2 by T1. This formula x plus 12 by x plus 6, and also T3 by T2. So x plus 12 by x plus 15 by x plus 12. Since it is a GP, so is GP, so that the common ratio you can find, then common ratio are equal. Ratios are equal, so can use this part. X plus 12 by x plus 6 equal to x plus 15 by x plus 12. So now this one for can use the cross multiple. So x plus 12 into x plus 12, x plus 12 whole square, x plus 6 into x plus 15. So this one. Now this one for can explain x square plus 24x plus 144. This also can multiple inside, so that x square plus 15x, and then this 6 multiple 6x plus 90, so that x square plus 21x plus 90. This one you can arrange and you can get the value of 6x, 3x equal to minus 54. So x equal to minus 54 by 3. This one cancel, so that minus 18 is the x value. So this is x value. So this is the fourth one. So we can see the now fifth one. See the question number 5. Find the numbers of the terms. Find the numbers of terms means asking number n in the following GP. See the first one of solution. So first for 4, 8, 16, and also going on 8192. So first term A. R for T2 by T1, T2 divided by T1, so that 8 by 4. So you can get R for 2. So Tn, the last is given, so last term Tn, so that 8192. So Tn formula can use A into R power n minus 1. So Tn is already given Tn for 8192, A for 4, R for 2, N minus 1. N for you can ask the question. So like that keep. So next you can see the next one for. So this 4 and this 8192 cancel means 2048. Remaining for 2 power n minus 1. This one for 2048. This 2048 can be divided for this likewise. This hint can use can find the explanation and you can get the result. So then you can get the value of 2048 for can explain means 2 power 11. This 2 power n minus 1 means this also can be make 2 power 11. So this base equal to cancel this 2. So remaining for n minus 1 equal to 11. This minus 1 equals n outer plus 1, so n equal to 12 is the number of times, so 12. See the next one similarly. So first term, second one for first term for A 1 by 3, R for T 2 by T1. So second term 2 divided by first term. So 1 by 3 by 3. So 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 1 by 9 into this upside go means 3 by 1 cancel, so that 1 by 3. So now this also can use the Tn formula and can use this hint for 729 for can use this hint. So see that next steps for. So you can see the next step. See the next steps for. See the next step. See the next step for A for 1 by 3 and R for 1 by 3. So N for you can find, so that N minus 1. So this one for 1 by 2087. So this one for explain and the 1 by 2087 into this 1 by 3 reciprocal, so that 3 by 1, so that is 3. This 3 and that 2087 cancel means 1 by 729. So now we can use that. So 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. This 1 by 729 can be raised 3 power n. So 1 by 3 whole power 6. This base for equal, so that cancel, so that n minus 1 equal to 6. So now n for 6 minus 1 for equals n outer plus 1. So n equal to 7. So the number of times this is 7. So you can see the question number 6 now. See the question number 6. Previously you can see the 5. So now you can see the question number 6. So see the 6th one. In a GP, the 9th term is 32,805. 6th term is 1,115. Find the 12th term. So term means can use the formula for Tn. So in this solution you can see that solution. So in a GP can use Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. Because nth term, so that T9 is given, T6 is given, 9th term and the 6th term. So ask you the question 12th term. So T9 for can take T9 A R power 8 because n minus 1. So n for 8 9. So 9 minus 1, so that 8. So that AR power 8 equal to 32,805. And T6 also AR power 5 12,215. So this is equation number 2. So these two equation take and solve the next steps. So question number 4, see the next. So now 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, first equation divided by 2. So AR power 8 equal to 32,805. Second equation AR power 5 is equal to 1215. So this one 4 can explain A cancel, so remaining R power 8 minus 5, because R power 8 upside go means minus, so that R power 8 minus 5, so that R power 3. So this 2 cancel means 27. So R power 3, 8 minus 5, so that 3. So R cube equal to 3 power 3. Cancel the base power for same, so that cancel. So base for R equal to 3. This R value 3 into. So A into 3 power 5. So R for 3, so that 5. 3 power 5 explain, and that 1215 with can divide, you can get the value of A equal to 5. So use this hint also. So now you can use the 12th term. So 12th term means T, 12th term for, you can see that T, and use the 12th term. T12 is equal to AR power 11. So A for 5, R for 3, so that 3 power 11. So 5, 3 power 11 explain means 1,77,147 multiple for 8,85,735. This is the 12th term of GP. So similarly can find the next sums also. So question number 7 now you can see. So find the 10th term of a GP whose 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. So now this about you can see the answers. So here given R equal to 2, R equal to 2. So here R equal to 2. Now here R equal to 2. T8 equal to 768. So T8 means Tn equal to AR power n minus 1 formula can use. So A into R power 8 minus 1, because n for 8, so 8 minus 1 equal to 768. So AR power 7 is equal to 768 is equation number 1. So 10th term of a GP, so A into R power n minus 1, use n minus 1, so that 10 minus 1, so that 9. So that 9, so that use AR power 9 is the 10th term. So this AR power 9 for can explain the AR power 7 and the R square. So the next steps, see the next one. So this AR power 9, so AR power 9 for AR power 7 for already have before is 768, and R for 2, so that R square 2 square, so that 4. 768 into 4, so 3072 is the 10th term of a GP. So can see the 8th sum now. So question number 8. If A, B, C are in AP, then so that A power 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. Then this about can find the solution. So see the solution. See the solution if A, B, C are in AP. So AP means difference are equal. So the T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. So T1, T2, T3. So B minus A equal to C minus B. So this minus B equal to plus B. So this minus A equals 700 plus A. So B plus B 2B, so that C plus A. So this one 2B is equal to C plus A, like that can keep. To prove 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. So can see now this proof that GP. So now we can see that 3 power 2b is equal to 3 power c plus a, because this upside having the value can be raise the power by 3. So this one for a we cancel, a is not a one wrong, plus a not. So raising the power both by 3, so that 3 power 2b is equal to 3 power c plus a. So this 3 power 2b can be explained 3 power b into 3 power b. This 3 power c plus a can be explained 3 power c into 3 power a. This plus 4 can be changed multiple, because power means can use this likewise rule. Then 3 power b, this 3 power a can bring the divide. 3 power c like that, this 3 power b can bring divide. So this one for T2 by T1 form, and T3 by T2 is not a T1, this is a T2. So T2 by T1, T2 by T1 and T3 by T2 likewise having in this part of 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C. So here the common ratio are same. So that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C forms an GP. It is proved. Okay. So next we can see the next sum, question number 9. See that question number 9. In a GP, the product of the three consecutive means continuous terms, is 27, and the sum of the product of two terms taken at a time is 57. 57 by 2. Find the three terms. And the three terms, it is asking the question. So we can find the solution now. So now you select the three consecutive terms of a GP or A by R, A R. Their product. So product means you can multiple A by R, A R. Cancel this R, so remaining A cube, so that 27. This 27 can be right for 3 power 3. So this power equal means cancel, so A equal to 3. So now this A value can keep like that. Next one. So sum of the product of the terms taken two at a time is, so A by R into A into AR, AR into A by R. This is a product of terms taken two at a times, equal to 57 by 2. So A square by R, this one for A square by R, this one for R cancel, so remaining A square. So this A square can take commonly. So A4 already have, so that 3 square into 1 by R plus 1 equal to 57 by 2. So the remaining so this 3 square 9, so this 9 equals in after 1 by 9. So this one for can do the cross multiple. So cross multiple means 1 plus R square plus R by R. 57 by 2 into 1 by 9. So this one multiple 57 into 1, 57. 2 9s are 18. So that 57 by 18. So this next steps, you can see that next one. So this values for can do the cross multiple, and you can get the value 18 plus 18R square plus 18R equal to 57. Before steps 2 can do the cross multiple, you can get this value. And 18R square, 18R minus 57R plus 18 equal to 0. So and rearrange so that 18R square minus 39R plus 18. This one for can do that divide by 3 on both sides. So you can get 6R square minus 13R plus 6. This one for you can factorize r minus 2 by 3 into r minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So r for you can get 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. This is the r value. So a value so already you know. So now you can apply this a value and r value. So a equal to 3, r equal to 2 by 3 can use at 3 numbers. A by r, a r. So this one can go for upside means 3 into 2 by 3 for 3 by 2. So that 9 by 2. And this one for 3 and this 3 for cancel. So remaining can get 2. So 9 by 2, 3, 2. This is 1. So next one for you can see that now you can see r a equal to a equal to 3, r equal to 3 by 2, the 3 times same. A by r, a r. So a for 3, r for 3 by 2 now. So this one you can go for upside. So but 3 into 2 by 3. So can I explain means 6 by 3. So cancel is a 2. Then 3, this one for a into r. So 3 3s are 9. So that 9 by 2. So that 2 comma 3 comma 9 by 2. So these are the values of these sums. So next one you can see the 10th one. See the 10. Question number 10 you can see that a man joined a company as assistant manager. The company gave him a starting salary 60,000 and agreed to increases his salary 5% annually. What will be his salary after 5 years? So see the solution. So starting salary you can see 60,000 increases per year 5%. So at the end of the first year, so 60,000 into 5%, so divided by 100. So cancel the 2 zeros, so remaining 3,000. So at the end of first year, he can get his salary 60,000 plus 3,000. So he can add means he can get 63,000 in the salary of first year. 63,000 he can get. The second year increase means this first year end of salary can bring and use again 5%. Is I can use 20. At the end of the second year is value of multiple 630 into 5. You can get this value 3,150. So this 2 for add means 66 150. This end of this second year salary. So it's increases for third one. Similarly, end of the second year value into 5%. You can cancel and before value 2. So 3,307.5 rupees. This 2 4 you can add before the value. What is before 66 150 plus this 3,307.50. Can add means you can end of the third year. So 69. So you can get a 69,457.50. The fourth year increases similarly 69,457.50 into 5%. This one eliminate, so you can get 3,472.87. So now these two add means you can get 72,930.37. So you can increase the fifth year. So fifth year, so fourth year end value into 5%. So this one for cancel you can get 3,646.51. So these two you can add, so you can get approximately 76,570 76,577 is the approximate value at the end of the 5th year salary. So this likewise you can find the continuous this value. The next one, see the question number 11. See the question number 11, you can see Sivamani is attending an interview for a job and the company gave him two offers to him. Offer A 20,000 to start with, followed by the guaranteed annual increases 3% first 5 years, and offer to 22,000 to start with, followed by a guaranteed annual years increases 3% of the first 5 years. What is his salary in the 4th year with respect to the offers A and B? So this one for can find the solution now. So offer A, see the offer A starting salary 20,000, annual 6%. So 20,000 into 6%, 6 by 100. So 1,200. So previous sum likewise can do the sum also. 1,200. So 20,000 plus 1,200. So 21,200 at the end of the first year salary. So can find the next. So second year increases similarly 21,200 into 6% cancel means you can get the value. So next one you can see that the value for it is a value. So 1,000. So 1,200. So 1,272 is the interest, and the before salary 21,200 plus 1,272, 22,472 at the end of the second year salary. So third year this likewise can find means 22,472 into 6 by 100, you can get the interest for 1,348.32. So at the end of the third year salary, before end of the second year value can be added to for this interest. You can get 23,820, and the fourth the end of the third year salary. So you can find the next value similarly. So fourth year salary 23,820 is the offer A. So similarly can find the offer B, starting salary 22,000, 3%. So cancel means 660. So at the end of the first year for 22,000 plus 660, so 22,660 is the end of the first year salary. So this likewise can find the next steps. See the next steps. So 22,660 second year increases again the third 3%. So 3 by 100 cancel, and you can get 679.8 at the end of the second year salary. So before value 2 can add this 2 value, add means you can get plus this 2 value add means 23,339.80. so these two for now the 3%, so that 3% can use, so that 700. So this 700 can use at the end of the third year. So this value and this value for add means you can get a 24,039.80. The fourth year salary 24,040. So option A 23,820. So option B 24,40. So this one for you can find now. So salary as per the option A 23,820, option B 24,040. So better is B. So that is large values as that is better option. So see the 12th question. So see the question number 12. So you can see the question number 12. See the question number 12. So if A, B, C are three constitutives of an AP, then you can use X, Y, A, B, C or the three constitutives of AP, and X, Y or the three constitutives of a GP, then prove that this value. So now use that solution. So see the solution. A, B, C or the three constitutives of an AP can be take for A, B, C 4 can take A plus D, A plus 2D. Respectively, this one for can take 1. X, Y, Z or the three constitutives of a GP can take X, Y, Z, X, A or AR square. Likewise, can be take X, XOR, XR square. General form like this can be take AR square, X, XR, XR square. It's like this AP also ABC, A plus D, A plus 2D likewise. So this 2, 4 can use equation 1 and 2 can use now in this prove that inside. So now this prove that for. So we can see that x power b minus c, y power c minus a, z power a minus b equal to 1. Substituting 1 in 2 in the left hand side, we get the left hand side x power. So b for and c for can use this value. B minus c for a plus d, so that minus a minus 2d, and y x for x, y for x, or c for a plus 2d, a for a. So then this one, then z for x r square, a for a, b for a minus a plus d, so that minus inside means minus a minus d. So now this one for can use. So the plus a and minus a cancel, so remaining d minus 2d, so minus d. So this also plus a minus a, so remaining 2d. So here for minus a plus a, so that minus d. So now minus anything power means you can use 1 by x power d. This one for x power 2d is x power 2d for multiple inside xor power 2d, x power 2d and r power 2d. This one for having the power minus, so that 1 by x power this d can multiple inside x power d and x r power 2d. So cancel now. You can see that now x power d, this x power d and this x power d for cancel x power 2d, and r power 2d, this r power 2d for cancel. So everything cancel, you can get the value of 1. So this is the right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side also equal. So complete this all the sums. So thank you to all.